Hey folks, here's a Genesis G90. You want to know where your transfer case is? It's right underneath. It's after the transmission, right? There it is. Looks complete with the little module there. It's about $5,000 installed. The unit alone is about $4,000. All right, so your engine's in the front, then your transmission's behind it, then you get a transfer case. That's the drive shaft that drives the rear wheels, and then it makes a little turn to transfer to the front, and this is your drive shaft for your front wheels. All right, this is the one that when you turn this, okay, your front wheels turn. All right, so yeah, that's your transfer case. Just like a four-wheel drive car, these are what you have in all-wheel drive cars. And this is that expensive piece that was making a noise from my other video. That gives you like a little rumbling when you go over the road as you're driving. All right, it makes it feel like you're going over cobblestones. That's it, transfer case. Just gonna show you where it was, right there. It's about $1,000 in labor they take, $4,000 for the unit. All right, thanks for watching.